Let's talk about the latest launched Honor smartphone X50i Plus 5G. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, with 6.7-inch Full HD Plus punch-hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels, approximately 93.7% screen-to-body ratio, 20.19 aspect ratio, 2000 nits peak brightness, approximately 394 ppi pixel density, 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 108 megapixel main camera, along with 2 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Magic OS 7.2 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.4 GHz dual-core Cortex-A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6085G chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB extended RAM, and 512 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.1 by 74.55 by 6.78 mm, and it weighs around 166 grams. And the color options: liquid pink, fantasy night black, ink jade green, cloud water blue, colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 4500 mAh battery, with 35 watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Honor X50i Plus 5G has been expected priced in Pakistan for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 69,999 Pakistani rupees, 1,599 yuan, and it's around $219, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 77,999 Pakistani rupees, 1,799 yuan, and it's around $247. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Honor X50i Plus 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.